Fine. In this video, you are going to learn the concept of speed, time, and as well as distance. Right. Let us check out with this. Right. What exactly the speed? The speed is defined as the distance covered per unit time. So it is a distance covered per unit time is called as a speed. Let us check out with this. This is A and as well as this is B. So let us consider anything. Let me take a car. If car is moving from the starting point, this is starting point to the ending point, this is called as the distance. Correct? This is called as distance. But per unit time, that is the very important part. So how many meters or how many kilometers it is going to travel in a specified time. The time may be in terms of hour or in terms of seconds or in terms of minute also. Right. See, it is basically what? It is the rate at which the distance is covered. It is the rate at which the distance is covered. So unit of speed is kilometer per hour or meter per second. Right. These two things you need to remember, and as well as you need to know how to convert from kilometer to meter and as well as hour to second. Let me explain all those stuff. The formula for speed is what? Distance by time. Speed is equal to distance that divided by time. Right. Speed is equal to distance by time. Right. Let us check out with what exactly the time is. Time means what? Time is, it is defined as a quantity which governs the order of an occurrence. So the time, unit of time is hour or second. The time is equal to, it is the formula to find the time is distance by speed. Distance by speed. Right. Let us go with the distance. In case of distance, the formula what they have written is here is wrong. Right. Let me explain that. When the object is moving with a certain speed in a particular time, the displacement made by an object is called as distance. The displacement made by an object is called as distance. The unit of distance is kilometer or meter. The formula for it is what? Distance is equal to speed into time. Right. So only by knowing this particular one formula you can find out speed or time. If it is speed, that is distance by time. If it is time, distance by speed. If it is distance, speed into time. That's it. Right. Let us check out with this. The basic main rules of speed, distance and as well as time is what? More distance, more time at same speed. More speed, less time for same distance. More speed, more distance in same time. These three things you need to know. That's it. Right. More distance, more time at same speed. More speed, less time for same distance. More speed, more distance in same time. Right. This is nothing but speed, distance and as well as time. Right. Let us check out with this. How can we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second or meter per second to kilometer per hour? Let us check out with this. Now I want to convert 18 kilometer per hour into meter per second. To do that, very simple. You should know the conversion, this thing. What is that? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? That is 1000 meters. And 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Right. Now we need to convert. That is going to be 18 into, let us convert it into meters, that is 1000, that divided by 3600. Now simplify it. 18 that divided by that into 5 by 18. See here, 2 zeros I'll cancel. 5 2 5s are right, 2 18s are right. This is what. Now the answer for this is 18 will be cancelled, 5 meter per second. So in simple terms, what, whenever you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply by 5 by 18. Right. Now let us check out with convert meters per second to kilometer. To do that, same procedure. So as we know this, so 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer, and 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hour. Right, let us convert this. 10 meter per second they have given, 10 I write down into, right, meter, that I need to convert, that is 1 by 1000, that whole divided by 1 by 3600. Right, now if you simplify it, you will get like this, right, that divided by 1000, so which is nothing but 10 into 2 zeros you will cancel, 2 5s are, 2 18s are, that is 18 by 5, correct, 18 by 5, that is going to be, if you simplify it, 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 18 2s are, 36 kilometer per hour. So whenever you want to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, just multiply with 18 by 5. Hope you understood, right? Let us go with this thing, one problem, let us solve. A car travels at a speed of 85 km per hour and reaches its destination in 5 hours. What is distance covered by the car? We know the formula, right? Here they have given speed, speed is equal to 85 km per hour, and time they have given 5 hours. So the unit you need to concentrate, here kilometer per hour, it is here hour, okay, directly we can do. So we know the formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time, right? So speed, how much speed? That is 85 km per hour into how many hours? It is 5 hours. Just multiply it. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42. So for 425 kilometer. So a car travels at a speed of 85 km per hour and reaches its destination in 5 hours. The distance covered by the car is in 5 hours is 425 kilometer. The answer is A here. Okay, let us go with one more example. A car covers a distance of 816, that is they have given distance. Distance is how much? 816 kilometer, and time they have given, time is 12 hours. What we need to find? We need to find speed. Speed is equal to what? Distance by time. Distance is how much? 816 kilometer. Time is 12 hours. Just divide it. 12 6 72, correct? Right, 9 remainder, 12 8s are, 12 1s are, 12 8s are, correct? 12 6 are, 12 6 are 72, 9 remainder, 12 8s are, that is 68 kilometer per hour. It is the answer here is B. Right, they give in this way only, but only thing you need to be very careful, they may give in terms of meter or hour as well as seconds. This is very important part, right? Let us go with the next one, that is called as the average speed. It is the total distance covered to the total time of journey. That is, average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time of journey. Now see, when you want to say, let us check this, you want to travel from A to B. So let us take, this is a speed A kilometer per hour. Then return you are going to come back again to the A, that is B kilometer per hour. Then the average speed is equal to 2AB divided by A plus B. Average speed is equal to this. It is not like the average what you learned in the previous sessions, right? This is the average speed is equal to 2AB divided by A plus B, where A is that is distance, that is not distance, that is speed, and as well as B is also speed, right? Suppose in this example it is a forward journey and as well as it is return journey. That's it. Let us check out an example so that you will understand. Deepak covers a certain distance by car driving at 25 km per hour. So now is starting point A, let us consider, and is moving to B, right? So from here to here is going by car at 25 km per hour, and he returns back from, that is from B to A, by scooter. This is by car and this is by scooter at 15 km per hour. Now we need to find the average speed. So in normal average what happens? 25 plus 15 is, 25 plus 15 is how much? 40. 40 divided by 2, 20. But that is not the case here. Let us check out. So we know average speed is equal to 2AB divided by A plus B. What is A here? 2. A is plus, that is 25 into B is 15, that divided by 25 plus 15, which is nothing but 15 2s are 30 into 25, that divided by 40, right? This 0 I will cancel, which is going to be 75 by 4. Now divide it. 75. 4 1s are 4, 3, 5 I will bring down, 4 8s are 32, correct? 3, right? I can't divide, put a dot, so I will take 0, 4, 7s are 28, 2, 5s are, so 20. So the answer is 18.75 km per hour. This is the average speed. The answer here is B. Okay. Now let us go with the related to train problem. If in case of train, what happens? If a train of a length L passes a pole, it travels a distance equal to its own length. Say for example, if you take, this is a pole, right, and as well as this is a train, right? The length of the train is L. If the train passes this pole, then the distance travels or covered by a train is itself the length of a train itself. That is going to be the distance, right? If train crosses an object and the length, say for example, if train crosses an object, the length of the object given, let us take, this is a train of a length L and it is going to pass the platform of length, let us take M. Then total distance travelled by a train will be calculated is L plus M, in this way, right? Let us take an example. A 360 meter long train crosses a single post in 18 seconds. What is the speed in kilometer per hour of the train? We need to find in terms of kilometer per hour here, right? The distance, which is nothing but distance is equal to length of the train itself, that is going to be 360 meter, and they have given time is 18 seconds, correct? What we need to find? We need to find speed, that in terms of kilometer per hour. First let us find out in terms of meter per second only. Speed is equal to distance by time, correct? Distance by time. What is distance here? That is 360. What is the time? Time is 18. So by simplifying, 18 ones are 18 twos are, that is 20. So 20 meter per second we got it. This is speed of the train. Now we need to convert it into kilometer per hour. To convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, what we need to do? We need to multiply by 18 divided by 5. So that is going to be 20 into 18 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 into 18. It is nothing but 4 ones are, that is 4, 40, 72. 72 kilometer per hour. The answer here is D. Fine. So in this particular case, the train is going to pass or cross only a single post, correct? Now let us take a second example here. Like in this case, a train 210 meter long took 12 seconds to pass 90 meter long tunnel. They have given the tunnel distance also. Right, let us check out here. The length distance is equal to length of the train plus length of the tunnel. Length of a train is 210 meter plus length of the tunnel is 90. So which is going to be 210, 300 meter. Right. Time they have given, that is in terms of 12 seconds. We need to find speed. Speed is equal to what? Distance by time. Correct? Distance by time. Distance is 300 and time is 12 seconds. Let us simplify. Right. So 12 twos are, correct? 12 twos are 24, 6, 12 fives are. So this is going to be 25 meter per second speed. But we need to convert it in terms of kilometer per hour. To convert it to meter per second to kilometer per hour, you need to multiply by 18 by 5, right? That is going to be 25 into 18 by 5. This is speed, which is equal to 5 ones are 5 fives are. So 18 into 5. So 50, 8 fives are 40. That is 90 kilometer per hour. The speed of the train in terms of kilometer per hour is 90 kilometer per hour. The answer here is A. Hope you understood. Let us solve around 15-20 problems so that you can easily understand the whole concept of speed, distance and time.